Cinematography is an art form. Every shot you see in any movie or TV show is carefully constructed to convey a certain emotion or feeling. The way each shot plays off of the next helps us form stories in our mind and draws the eye to what the director intends us to see. Today we're going to cover basic shots that you need to know while making movies of your own. The establishing shot. This lets the audience know where they are and what type of world they're in. It sets us up mentally for what kind of world we are about to experience in the film. The wide or full body shot. This is used when you want to see everything from your subject's head to their toe and a bit of the world around them. The mid shot. How I'm framed right now actually is a perfect example of a mid shot. It's kind of this part of your arm up. A medium close-up. This is most commonly used when a character is talking. You want to see the subject's shoulders and up with a little bit of headroom on top. A close-up. Close-ups are often used to show us specific features of a subject. For example, it could be text on a book, it could be a close-up of a hand grabbing an item, or it could be a close-up of a character's face to show a certain type of expression or emotion that that character is experiencing. Extreme close-up. That's when you really want to see expression, such as surprise, fear, shock, anger, frustration. A classic example of this is the good and the bad and the ugly when they're all staring each other down. Yeah, that scene. The high angle shot. This is often used to convey a sense of powerlessness. When the camera is placed at a high angle, this gives the impression that the subject is maybe weak, inferior, small. You often see this in movies like Home Alone or Harry Potter when it's a child star and they're in a world of adults looking down on them. Low angle shot, or the hero shot. It's where you position the camera on the ground looking up, and it gives your subject almost a superhero kind of vibe. For example, the poster of the movie The Dark Knight. Batman looks larger than life and bigger than he actually is because of where the camera is positioned. And it's a great way to show your subject as someone of great power or something of stature. The over-the-shoulder shot. Whenever characters are having dialogue in a movie or TV show, this is one of the most common ways that this is shot. You always want to remember, though, to shoot over the opposite shoulder. The camera would be positioned over my shoulder here, looking this way, and then when I film the reverse of that, it would be over your opposite subject's shoulder, looking this way. The last two shots I'm going to talk about are a pan, which is simply pushing your camera over to reveal new subjects that weren't previously there, and a tilt, which is the same thing except you're starting from either the ceiling or the floor and panning up or down. With all these basic shots and how to do them under your belt, you're ready to go off and make your movie.